Kuya, may backdrop. Kuya, halika dito. Backdrop naman.
On a Friday night yet.
Pag dalawa na, add na lang dalawa po.
Pag kaya mo normal sa slice.
Kasi parang kalahati na makakalahati na ng bar.
This
180.
wanna live.
2 litro na yun eh.
Seem like Hey.
Dapat kahapon pa nila
Agad, dalawa agad. 7. High score dyan. High score. Uy! Wala sila. Kiss lang eh. Zero yan ha. This one is 2, 3, 4, 5. Agad. Eight agad, miss. Oh no, bro. You're definitely a poopy noob. No, you're noob. How am I a noob?
Ganda nitong bahay na
Tignan mo,
Tamereo.
wait lang. Wait lang ha.
Diba? Pahaba, ay palakad.
Wait mo lang ha.
Parang magkakapag-ano.
Mo lang ha. No, I'm not playing that game. Level, di ba 10 yung dati? Magkano yan? Ay, hindi. Ban English! Level 9. Level 90 mas dami sa level 90. Hindi kita maintindihan because I'm English. English, nagtagalog ka nga eh.
Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited. You know what we're all about here.
Minsan,
Awesome
English ka
cars,
lang
crazy challenges,
sa
and building the
video
coolest
mo.
tracks around. Right? Right.
Kasi I want to
So
English.
first up, you're gonna want to
Tagalog ka naman, intindihan naman
welcome
yan.
back to Hot Wheels.
Bro, I don't need
Do we
you.
have some exciting challenges for you today? Hey, have you tried racing with a bunny? Which car? Tap, tap, tap! Pouring some dust.
If you die already, Daraira. Last year, no. Nah. Bro, it's getting fast. No, I'm faster. Oh, come on.
And the winner is Bone Shaker.
O, diba? Bone shaker.
Modern.
Cool, right? Why don't you share
Cool.
some other
Right.
Ganda din.
Mochi mochi.
Yaman. Tama pa ba ako, Mary?